In front of me is NUBIA Focus 2 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to hit this section called Safety and Emergency. Now choose Emergency Contacts. Tap on Change Setting and make sure this switcher next to Show Unlocked is on. Many people forget about it, and without it your contacts won't be accessible from locked screen. So after you make sure this option is on, go back, hit Add Contact and tap on the one you wanna set up. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To remove any of them from the list, not from your phone, click on this icon next to the one you wanna get rid of and tap on Remove. If you wanna change order of them, hit Reorder at the top right corner, hold one, drag it, and tap on Save at the top right corner after establishing a perfect list. Now, if any of your numbers is invalid, it won't be listed on your screen while accessing emergency contacts. Let's check it out. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe, I need to hit Emergency at the bottom left corner. Then tap on View Emergency Info and check out all of my emergency contacts. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!